Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click video. Let's choose this resolution. Click on the background and change the color to black. And go to elements and scroll down to shapes and click on the circle. Let's change the color to yellow. Choose another circle. Let's use pink, or you can choose any colors you want. Go to elements again, shapes, choose the square and increase the size, resize it like this, place it in the middle and change the color to gray. Let's make it a little bit darker. Show layers. So we have three circles and this shape. Let's add more circles. And you can make any colors you want. And place them randomly. And now drag your first image. We are going just to use these images. Click on the first one. It's better to open new page and place your image and choose the square again and resize it like this. Place it above this image. Go to transparency and make it 0 and select both of them and click group, copy and paste in the first page. Let's increase the size. Go to text and type new text. Change the font. Let's use Anton. Change the color to white color. Let's place it here. Add new text. Change the font as well. And let's change the color. And drag these handles like this to make this transparent part around the text. Add another text. And make it bigger. Change the font to Anton. Go to effects, choose hollow and decrease the thickness to 1. Go to transparency and decrease to 40. And go to layers, show layers and drag it down make the order like this, and delete this one, and drag the next one, and make the same. Make a transparent shape and decrease the transparency. Select both of them and group, copy, paste, increase the size and drag it to the top, and keep this transparent part over here. And type the text for the image that we make. Make this, open these handles, it's important, and change the color. Let's use this color or this one, and drag it to the top, and keep this transparent part. Make another text, choose Anton, and change the color to white color. Open a little bit these handles and increase the size. Go to effects, hollow, decrease the thickness. Go to transparency and decrease to 40, and make it as the first one. And drag this one to the left side, and keep this transparent part. Go to layer, show layers. So make these elements in this order. And make the rest of them like this. And after making all the text that we need and the elements, let's see the order of the layers that we have. Go to layers, show layers. We have the images in the top, we have the titles, and we have this transparent text. And now let's duplicate the first page. Go to the second page, click on this image, drag it down, and keep this transparent part. Go to layer, show layers, and let's drag the second one. Drag this text to the left, and drag the text for this image from the top. And move this text as well to the right, and choose the right text. And move the circles randomly. And duplicate this page. Go to the third one, and make the same. Drag this down, drag this text to the left, and drag this one to the right, and move the next one. Choose the right text, and go to the circles again and move them randomly. Duplicate, go to the last one, drag this down, drag this text to the left, and drag this one to the right. Where's the last one? The chocolate. And go to the circles again and move them. And add transition, choose match and move, increase the duration, click apply between all pages, and here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.